Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the Amazing Spider-Man 1 black screen problem. So if you are facing the black screen issue of Amazing Spider-Man 1 on your Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will tell you how to fix it. You have to follow the steps as I am showing in this video, and if you are new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Hope by then you will able to fix this problem. Let's watch the video.